guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pelumi of Sewphilia Studios. It's been a long time since I sat in front of a camera to record anything. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I posted about a month ago, even maybe more than a month now, that I was taking a break. I was tired, I was done, I was just, you know what, I was like, I need a break. So I took a break and it's been good, but I won't lie, like several times in the break period I've just thought of, I need to film content. I had this idea, but I'm like, you know what, just, you said you're gonna take a break, so take the damn break. Like, chill, relax. So that's what I did, and I think, yeah, I'm back. I've gotten the things that I thought I needed to, you know, come back with a bang, with better quality, better ideas. Yeah, so certain things, I think I'm just jumping the gun. I don't even know, I'm jumping the gun. I don't have a script prepared. I just thought that, you know what, let me just you know, break the ice and get back into filming. So this is what this is what this video is about. It's nothing serious, just an introduction to say I'm back, and maybe just a little bit of why I left, and what has been happening during the break, and what's gonna happen going forward. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share the video to tell people know that Sewphilia Studio is back, Pelumi's Secret is back, okay? And I'm gonna give you back-to-back amazing sewing content, vlogs, and just give you a tiny little bit of a peek into my life, okay? Let's get right into it. Okay, so I'll try not to make this long, but why did I leave? Where did I go to? So if you're not new here, if you're new here, let me just tell you, I recently relocated to Canada. I moved from South Africa to Canada. I'm originally Nigerian, so I'm just touring the globe to be an international global citizen. So yeah, I recently moved, and immediately I didn't resign from my previous job back in South Africa. I thought, oh, I could work remotely, so I came, and like that same week I had to go back to work. There was no break, there was no time to relax and just soak it all in. And also immediately I started recording content. I was filming vlogs. I literally basically just jumped right into living my life. Like, I didn't just move halfway across the globe to a new place. So that went on for a month, and then I just broke. I'm like, I can't do this anymore. I felt like I was putting in more work, even that it was probably the same level of work, because I was so stressed in a new environment. I felt like I was doing too much and I wasn't getting the results that I was expecting for putting in this much work. So I even filmed a video. I'll probably upload it here. I just filmed a video ranting to myself of my frustrations. I do that sometimes, or I write. I'll probably share the video. It was just all over the place. It didn't make sense, but I was just sharing my frustrations. I've put in so much work, so many years on the platform, trying to create content, trying to build a side hustle, trying to just share my passion, and I'm not getting any reward from it. And monetary reward, I guess that's what everyone is pursuing in this capitalist world that we're in. So I was just really frustrated. I'm like, why am I even doing this? Like, we did something else. So yeah, I said, okay, okay, let me then take a break. And also because I wasn't also satisfied with the quality of work that I was putting out there. I'm in a new space. I had not set up, even though I'd gotten a new sewing machine, which I also shared with you guys, the unboxing and the review and everything. I just felt like I had not set up my space the way I had it back at home to create good quality content. I didn't have lights. The room I'm staying in, it was quite dark. The pictures were grainy. So that was just all piling up and frustrating me. I was like, I don't have a good background. I need a good background. I need something, you know, visually appealing. That's why people are watching. They don't want to just watch to hear your voice or see your fine face. They want to actually look at the bigger picture, the whole thing. I was like, oh God, I don't have all these things. I don't have the money to get all this that I need. So yeah, I just was frustrated. I was like, okay, I need time to rethink, re-strategize, regroup, save to get things to improve my content. So that's what I did. So there's two major reasons: the fact that I moved and I wanted to just take a break and assimilate things, get used to my environment, and also to plan to produce better quality. As you can see, it is currently like past 9 and I'm filming with good lights. Just know that I've upgraded. I'm going to show you guys my setup. I've upgraded. I have better lights. I have a wonderful background that I'm satisfied with at the moment. So yeah, the reason I also wanted to upgrade my audio, but my current camera doesn't have a microphone port, and I got like an external microphone that I could record audio on, and it wasn't really working, so I had to return it back to Amazon. So I'm just trying to look for ways that I could improve my quality without getting a new camera, because for the camera it's not here yet. So I mean, I'm just gonna build up slowly. So yeah, I thought I would come up with a bang, but not everything is, I don't have all my ducks in a row yet, but this is good. This is good enough for me right now. So yeah, what else I want to say? Quality and also content. Right now I've planned out the things that I want to do for like 2 months, and I think I will be able to film those and share. I haven't been sewing as much, so now that I want to get back to sewing, I will carry you guys along and share tutorials. I also want to share, like, it's finally like spring and summer is coming, so I have plans for those. So I'm gonna make things and I'm gonna share them. So yeah, I think that's all I really wanted to say. That's all I wanted to say. The lesson you should take from this video is take a break when you need to. Okay, you're not in competition with anybody, you are running your own race. Okay, so if you need to take a break, take a break. Things will happen in its time, basically. And just do what you love. Do what you love. And when you take a break from something and you still want to do it, then you know that, okay, you really love that thing. You're not just doing it just because you actually love it. Like, I really wanted to film, I really wanted to sew. So yeah, I'm glad that I'm back now. So yeah, I really don't have anything to say anymore. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this new introduction. Thank you. So be expecting new videos every week. Friday is my planned upload day. I will try to make it happen Friday, or it will happen on Saturdays. Yeah, so new videos every day. So subscribe to my channel. Please let this channel grow. I feel like one of the things that was frustrating me when I took a break was I feel like I was stagnant, like what's happening, not growing. So please, if you like the content, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share the video. That's all you need to do to support me. Share the video. Let's build up engagement. Okay, yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed, do what you love, and love what you do. Bye guys.